So hi you guys, today I got Catty Noir and it was my birthday like 2 days ago, but it's still like the birthday vibe because when you get your gifts and all that stuff, it's just so fun. And look, I have Catty Noir right here. And here we have Frankie plushie. I'm gonna put Frankie plushie over there. And here on the picture we have Frankie, Catty Noir herself, and Claudine. And the items, I think this is a backpack. Yeah, this is a backpack. This is a cat, and that is a number 13. I think 13 wishes, or I don't know. And this is a phone, and her phone is quite broken. Her mirror is also broken, and she got her mic. And this is a bottle of hers, and there are her glasses. Okay. The back. Have Catty Noir herself. She is singing like she is the celebrity of Monster High. And then we have Claudine, Frankie Laguna, Chacolora, and here is Catty Noir information of her, what she likes and what she do. And now let's get started. Oh no, it is her items again, except of the backpack. Okay, I think it's, oh wait, I didn't say the name of this cat. I think her name is Amalat. Okay, I'm gonna open this. So here is Catty Noir out of her box. And I just forget what happened over there. Cause, yeah. She's so cute, look. And her tail is so pretty. And her hair also. Like it's moving. Real body. Okay. Now I'm gonna get her items out of this package. Okay, so here is her glasses. It's like hearts and it's so cool and it's blue. And then next up we have her microphone. It's so cool, and here it says Cont, I think. Oh no, wait, it says Catty. Okay, I'm sorry. And then her back. It's like this. It's so pretty. And then we have her cat. It's so cute. Broken mirror. Her bottle, I think. 13. Her music notes book. It's so iconic. I love Catty Noir. So this is much it's for Catty Noir. I really like her doll, and maybe see you next in the other video. And by the way, maybe I will do Piggy in the next video. So bye.